We have a large portfolio of research projects that we work on. And those projects typically are trying to solve a real clinical problem with some of our machine learning or artificial intelligence methods. So I think there are two keys to a successful data science project. First is that you have to have the right team composition assembled. So you have to have the clinicians who really understand how the tool that you want to build is going to impact their patients. You have to have the data scientists, the statisticians, the informaticists, sometimes a policy expert, good program managers, to all be in the room together to really understand the problem that you're trying to solve. And the second thing about these projects that make them a little bit different than other research projects is that we want to have a clear sense of what our ultimate goals and objectives are, but we don't always have a clear roadmap for how we're going to get there. So unlike something like a clinical trial or other projects, research projects where we would have a detailed sort of analysis plan going into it, instead, much of the work that we do is very iterative. So we start with version 1 of a model, see how well that performs, then we might go through many versions after that as we continue to try to optimize it. So everyone has to be flexible, but not lose sight of those ultimate goals that we're trying to achieve.